So Charlie, what are we doing today?
Man, I am putting water in these hanging baskets. Trying to get ready to plant them. We're going to go ahead and not really plant them. It's called transplanting. We buy the plugs that have already grown, and we're going to transport them into here and grow them out and eventually sell them.
So it's for FFA?
It's for FFA, man. FFA. I also do it in the ag class, so everybody can get their hands on it. It's very fun. A lot of kids have never don't even know what a hanging basket is, man. And so right here, they get to put their hands on it and learn about it. And I mean, it's absolutely the best you can get, man. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things ever.